I think I just like my face and I like how they look with glasses. When I told people that I was getting eye surgery, everyone was just like, your face looks so cute with glasses. First off, beauty is not everything. Obviously it's top 3, but it's not everything, all right? Hey y'all, it's Chimdi. I am getting PRK surgery, and that means I can join the realm of people who wear glasses for fun. Can you imagine? For fun.
Do you need those glasses?
No.
Are you disabled?
No.
What are you doing?
Who knows? For fun? What an insult to us. Do I even identify with those people anymore? Those glasses wearers? Those prescription people? Now that I will be glasses free, I can now optionally wear glasses. Can you imagine? See, I feel like people who wear glasses optionally, they don't understand the genuine struggle of needing to wear glasses, so they think it's cute. It'd be like if you had your leg broken and you saw people wearing crutches for fun. This isn't a game. I need this to live. This isn't a joke, all right? This isn't a style. This isn't a fashion choice. Given all that, let's go ahead and make some fashion choices. I've got a bunch of Warby Parker glasses and I'm gonna try them on for no reason, because I don't need them anymore. I don't need them anymore because I am free. I am free of the shackles of bad vision. I'm so blessed. Whew. Let's get into it. I'm just gonna try these glasses on so you can see what they look like on my face. If you have a face like mine, first off, congratulations, because that means that you're real cute. And if not, I gotta be honest, I'm not sure why you're watching this, but it's probably because you like me, and I appreciate that. Go ahead and like this video since you like me so much, and go ahead and subscribe and click that bell for notifications. I appreciate it. And go ahead and tell me, what is your favorite pair of glasses that I'm wearing? Now that I have disposable income that comes from not having to spend my money on glasses and contact lenses, I can actually afford to just buy dumb stuff like glasses that I don't need a prescription for. All right, so these are Farris and Crystal. I already have glasses that are very similar to these. So they are glasses that I've clear frames. I love my glasses that are like these. They're very cute because they're like, they have a little bit of personality. They feel like fashion glasses. Like I feel like there was a chunk of time, it could still be happening now, when people in fashion, you know, who are like behind the scenes in fashion, they wore glasses that look like these. So I felt like extra cool. My former partner, he actually, I almost said former lover, and I was like, do I want my viewers to think about me loving on some man? Maybe. We did do a vacation and I did make a video about it. So if you do want to see me, I'm not loving up on him, but we did kiss. So if you want to see me kiss a man on my YouTube channel, check out that video. But yeah, he had some clear glasses like this, and then I low-key just jacked his style and got a pair myself. And now I don't need glasses at all. Bye! Windsor in Whiskey Tortoise Matte. I like these glasses because they remind me of the glasses Beyonce was wearing in her video for, who was it for? It's the one where she was playing piano, you know, sandcastles or something like that. They're like the, you know, nerdy, thin lined ones. I like these, they're really cute. I gotta say, it's so strange seeing, like wearing glasses and being able to see the size of my eyes. Cause normally my eyes get like a little bit smaller, not crazy small. Not like you gotta gasp when you see me without them, but they get a little bit smaller when I'm wearing my actual glasses. So it's fun to see how big my eyes look. I'm like, wow, I'm so cute. What do we think of this pair, people? You know, they're there, but they don't distract too much. And I feel like that's the key thing with glasses. I think you should be able to take off your glasses and people are like,
oh yeah, I still know and recognize her. She didn't lose her entire personality when she took her glasses off.
These glasses are Burke in the color Tennessee Whiskey. I want to be in the room that's coming up with the names for these glasses. Okay, all right, she cute. She cute, okay. All right, yes. This girl is the analytics director at a major tech firm. She has run the numbers, she has crunched them. She's found that growth in Q2 is not meeting expectations, and actually we need to rapidly increase our production and our frontline services if we're gonna meet our projected growth numbers. That's what this girl is doing. She has a job. She's easily making $150 a year casually. All right, she drives a Tesla, but she drives like an older model Tesla, and people are like, oh, you drive a Tesla. She's like,
yeah, but this is like an older model. Like, you shouldn't even be impressed.
That's who this person is. I like her. Maeve in Blush Tortoise. These look fun. These look like they have a lot of character. They do have a lot of character. Aren't these fun? I feel like this girl reads. This girl reads for fun. She reads for pleasure. This girl has seen Emily in Paris. She understands why people don't like it, but she likes it and isn't afraid to say why. I enjoy these. So these are Saylor in layered Shoreline Crystal. I think these are cute. I'm curious to see how they look on my face. Huh? This woman, she is a scholar. This woman, she has a PhD. This woman has an MFA, all right? This woman can recite some poetry to you. Once more, into the fray, into the last good fight I'll ever know. Live and die on this day. Live and die on this day. These are cute. I actually want these glasses. I actually want these. That wasn't really the intent of this video. I truly was just gonna brag nonstop in a way that's borderline offensive about how I have enough money to afford laser eye surgery and am thus gonna get laser eye surgery, and at the time of this posting currently have gotten laser eye surgery and I'm hopefully healing quite nicely from said eye surgery. And I don't even need any of these glasses, and arguably this is like not in good taste. But these I actually really want. I think they like match the blue of my top really cute. Warby. People who don't need glasses. No, people who need glasses too are also telling me like, yeah, you look cute with glasses. Why are you doing something to improve yourself? And for those people, all I gotta say is, do better.